Welcome to youtube.com/JessicaDominguezTV. It's an absolute pleasure to have you here on People Want to Know. I'm JP Dominguez, and help me out in welcoming the awesome Abogada Jessica Dominguez, my mother. Thank you so much for being here week after week answering immigration questions.
It is my pleasure, Hijo. Thank you.
Due to all the questions that we've been receiving as a team, we put together a three-part series, and this is the second video of a three-part series where we're going over different situations of where people don't qualify for the I-601A waiver. This week we received a question from David on Facebook. My wife tried to enter the country, but she was stopped at the border. She was deported the very same day, and the following day she entered the country without any problems. A notary helped us with the family petition, but now I'm worried because her fingerprints from the FBI show that she was given an expedited removal. His question is, can she qualify for a waiver?
GP, in order to answer this question, what I would like to do is I'd like you to read the letter that is given to any person who finds themselves in this situation after leaving the country, applying for an immigrant visa, and getting that petition denied. Please read what the consular officer gives to a person who finds themselves in this situation.
The office regrets to inform you that it is unable to issue an immigrant visa to you because you have been found ineligible to receive a visa under sections of the Immigration and Naturalization Act. This INA section declares inadmissible for an immigrant visa those applicants that were ordered removed under Section 235B1, Section 240, or any other provisions of law, and who enters or attempts to re-enter the United States without being admitted.
What this means is that anyone in this same situation who has been expeditedly removed, what that means is that they were removed from the United States and should not have come back unless they did so legally. The fact that she came back without permission means that she does not only not qualify for the 3- and 10-year bar waiver here inside of the United States, the I-601A waiver, but if she leaves the country, she will not qualify for the I-601, or she will not qualify for a waiver unless she resides out of the United States for 10 years.
And do families find themselves in that situation where they actually go for that meeting outside the country and then they can't get back in the US? That's a reality for many families?
Unfortunately, yes. We see people that find themselves in this situation every week. It's really sad. They have been expeditedly removed. They go out of the country to try to apply for a waiver and they get denied and cannot come back unless they live outside of the United States for 10 years. And at that point, they can then apply for the waiver.
Okay, on that note, are there any consequences for those that have been expeditedly removed and then they come back to the US on a later date and are currently living in the US? What are consequences that they may face?
Yes, JP, and the consequences are very harsh. Anyone who has been expeditedly removed, comes back into the country, and has any type of interaction with ICE would have their previous order of deportation reinstated, which means ICE can deport them on the spot without the right to see a judge, and even without the right to have an attorney defend their case because they already have an order of deportation. And the reason for this is that people that find themselves in this situation are people who are considered to be of high priority because they have been previously removed.
Thank you, attorney, for joining me this week. Thank you so much for all the valuable information that you share. And more importantly, our audience gets to learn about their rights and what they should and shouldn't be applying for.
My pleasure, Hijo. Thank you.
Thank you all for watching People Want to Know on a weekly basis. Thank you for those that have already subscribed to this YouTube channel. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and join our audience. We post videos on a weekly basis regarding different types of topics, and this segment specifically, People Want to Know, we go over your social media questions. Leave us some comments in the comment section below of what you want us to talk about next week, and we'll see you next time on People Want to Know.
Wait, don't go anywhere.
Please subscribe to the left
And watch our videos below.